Good afternoon and happy Friday. This is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on your weather forecast. We're watching a couple of different features this afternoon, one of which is the upper level low that is still spinning around in the eastern portions of the Dakotas. That and its associated frontal system, which extends all the way down into the Texas Panhandle right now, is going to continue kicking up some of that shower and thunderstorm activity this afternoon. So some of these storms could be pretty strong, especially through portions of the Midwest and even possibly around the low itself as it makes its way into Minnesota a little bit later on. We're also continuing to watch a tropical disturbance in the western Gulf of Mexico as it spins up that activity from the panhandle of Florida all the way back down to the Gulf Coast of Texas. We're not looking for anything really severe with this, but we could see some of that locally heavy rainfall heading into the rest of today, especially portions of Louisiana. Keep a close eye on that for you. And we're also watching still Julia. She's continuing to churn around out there, really not posing much of a threat to the U.S. right now, but she did travel into some warmer water last night, and they've upgraded her back to a tropical storm as of right now. So we'll continue to watch her over the next couple of days too, but as of now, she doesn't look like she's going to be doing a whole lot to the east coast of the U.S. We continue to see very warm temperatures today throughout the southern states as well as up the west coast. In fact, we're seeing above normal conditions all the way up into Washington and Oregon this afternoon. Now heading into the next couple of days, we'll continue with mild conditions for many of us, temperatures generally in the 70s and 80s in the afternoon, but heading down into the south, we're going to continue with those 90s through Saturday and Sunday. Taking a look at the future radar for this afternoon and heading into tonight, we're going to continue to watch that wide area of showers and thunderstorms as they make their way through parts of Illinois, Missouri, and back down into Arkansas. We could actually see some more development heading back into portions of West Texas as well, and this is all along that frontal system that we were talking about just a little bit earlier. We could also see the development of some rather strong storms up around the area of low pressure itself as it makes its way from the eastern Dakotas into Minnesota later on. And we're going to continue tracking the shower and thunderstorm activity down along the Gulf Coast in association with that little guy that keeps spinning out there in the western Gulf of Mexico. Thank you so much for watching this afternoon. Have a great weekend and stay safe.